Simon Wearmouth of Brown&Co again, just showing you some more lots available next Tuesday the 18th of September on our sale. Manor Farm, Fulmodestone Road, Stibbard. 2 dispersals combined on behalf of WS&D Parker and Harmer Farms Limited. WS&D Parker having sold the farm, Harmer Farms having a change of policy. Close neighbours bringing their sale items together. Still more lots arriving. Online bidding available via a link on our website. Just need to get registered in good time. You don't see many of these coming up for sale in the UK. 9-metre Kelly harrow. We've got a late entry, not previously advertised. 04 plate Land Cruiser from the farm, no VAT, 4 litre plus diesel engine, full leather interior, 138k on the clock. Worth a look. No buyer's premium next Tuesday. Handy Bowser. Not all of our trailers are delivered to the sale field yet. Full detail of all these lots on our website. Marshall trailers not included, just being used to deliver to site. All worth a look. I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday.